my passionate learners. I hope you all are doing great. And welcome back to another exciting video with Sapphire Academy. In English grammar, verbs are classified into finite and non-finite verbs. Today we will focus on non-finite verbs, which play an important role in sentence formation and meaning. Before we move ahead, it's important to understand that not all verbs behave the same way. Some verbs can stand independently, while others need support. These supporting verbs are known as non-finite verbs. Today, we will understand what non-finite verbs are, their types, and how they function in a sentence. To begin with, the term non-finite literally means not limited. A non-finite verb is a verb that is not restricted by tense or subject. In other words, it does not change its form according to time or number. Because of this reason, a non-finite verb cannot act as the main verb of a sentence. At this point, a natural question arises. Why is it called non-finite verb? It is called non-finite verb because it is free from the boundaries of tense and subject agreement. Unlike finite verbs, it does not tell us when the action takes place. Instead, it supports the main verb by adding meaning to the sentence. Now that the basic idea is clear, let us move on to the types of non-finite verbs. Broadly speaking, non-finite verbs are classified into three main categories: infinitives, gerunds, and participles. Each type performs a different function in a sentence. First of all, let us discuss the infinitives, which is the most commonly used non-finite verb. An infinitive is usually formed by adding or placing to before the base form of the verb. In most cases, an infinitive is used to express purpose, intention, or desire. It answers the questions why or for what purpose. For example, she wants to become a doctor. In this sentence, to become is an infinitive. It does not show tense or subject agreement. Instead, it completes the meaning of the finite verb wants by expressing intention. Therefore, to become is non-finite verb. Another example, he studies hard to achieve success. Here, to achieve is an infinitive. It answers the question why he studies hard, since it shows purpose and does not change according to the tense. Alright students, let's take one more example here. To help others is a noble act. In this sentence, to help functions as a noun and act as the subject of the sentence, as it does not show tense and cannot stand alone as the main verb. It is a non-finite verb. And with this, we come to the end of infinitives, a type of non-finite verb used to express purpose, intention, or action without showing tense. In the next session, we will take up gerunds, another important type of non-finite verb. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. See you soon.